Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add IP address in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to Setup page. To do so, click on this lightning bolt icon, click on Setup. After that, in the quick find, we need just to type access or network access. So here in the security panel or here, we click on network access and from here we will find the trusted IP ranges. So from here you can start from an IP address range to an end range. So click on new and here you will need just to start IP address. So basically my first range, if you want a range, I'm just going to just type this domain or range and I'm just going to type it like that and it will be from 1 and it will be ending by 0 for example, so it should have the same address and like that, and I will finish in 20 for example. I'm going to click on save and this is my first range as an example. If you want to have only one IP to add, you will need just to copy the same IP twice. So here you will need just to copy it from here and paste it here again, so it can be this one and only this IP that would be added in this trusted IP list. So those are your IP trusted list, and basically this is how you can start adding IP addresses for your network access. And of course you will need to know first of all their IP addresses of the machines, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.